Hey everybody, Roger Levin here with your orthodontic practice production pearl of the week. So what is the first step in the TC process? Don't try to guess because you're probably going to be wrong. If you got it, that's great. But here's the answer. It's the first phone call. Now, I know the TC is typically not on that call. Calls are unpredictable. You don't know when they're coming. TC could be in a consult, could be a day off, could be on vacation. Either way, that first phone call begins to set the stage. I can tell you absolutely the better the first phone call, the more value and relationship you build, the higher the close rate for the TC later. So if you're a front desk person watching this in an orthodontic practice, you can help your TC perform better. If you're an orthodontist, you should demand that this happens because in today's world, if you have a higher close rate, you don't need as many new patients. We have a new client that came in a few days ago. They only have a 47% close rate in their TC process. Now, I don't know what the problem is yet. Could be the TC skill set. It could be the scripting. It could be the justification of the fee. It could be high competition in the area. We don't know yet. We'll find out and we will solve it. This is what we do and why I'm sharing with you. Get those close rates as high as possible. Not only because, of course, you want them as high as possible. That's not new news, but because competition is bigger. To raise the TC close rate, start with an incredible and great first phone call. This is critical. And that phone call should be based on exquisite scripting called the new patient experience. We use a whole series of linking scripts so that when that parent or patient hangs up, they're saying, oh my God, this office sounds incredible. I can't wait to go there. They haven't bought anything yet. They haven't closed yet. They haven't met the TC and the orthodontist yet, but they can't wait to go there. And I've had this experience myself in different situations. And every single time I end up working with or buying from that organization or company. It's just inevitable when you go expecting and anticipating a great experience, unless they really screw it up, you're going to have a great experience. And you're going to be willing to pay to whatever the fee is or the price is to continue that great experience because you believe it's worth it. And that's what we need parents and patients to believe. As always, I wish you increased practice production and referrals every year, and I'll see you next week.